Hello guys, I am from Govgrass Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss about one question that has been taken from inverse trigonometric functions exercise 2.2 NCERT 12th Maths. That question is question number 5 equal to simplify the function tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 whole over x comma x is not equal to 0. Now come out to solution here. I shall write here solution. Solution equal to the given function, given that tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 whole over x, where x not equal to 0. This is the question which you have to simplify. Tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 whole over x, where x is not equal to 0. Here you can see value of x. So here you can see, if you put here x equal to 0, then here in numerator under root 1 plus x square minus 1 whole over 0, it will become that amount to be infinite, not defined. That's why here x is not equal to 0 is written. Now come out to solution here. Here you can see under root 1 plus x square is given. Here the function is in the form of tan inverse. In this case, where the function is in the form of tan inverse, here you have to take the function in the form of tan. Here you can see x square is there. Here 1 plus x square is there, which is in square root. What we'll do in this case, here the value of x will be let something else. So now I am going to solve this question. Here I shall write let x equal to tan theta. Here I shall let x equal to tan theta. So this will become implied that theta equal to tan inverse x it will become. Here I have let x equal to tan theta, implied that theta equal to tan inverse x it will become. Now I shall write the original function here. The original function I am going to write here tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 whole over x. This is the original function I have written here. Now what we'll do here, equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus, here you can see x square is given. In place of x, I shall write tan theta. This will become tan square theta whole over tan theta, because value of x is tan theta. In place of x, here I shall write tan theta. Here also x square is given. So in place of x, I shall write tan theta. It will become tan square theta. Under root 1 plus tan square theta, it will become, here you can write minus 1. Because it is given minus 1 I have written. You know the concept here, formula. Here I am going to write formula. Formula you know better. Trigonometry formula. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, it will become. This is the formula, trigonometry formula. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, it will become. This is the formula. So here you can see under root 1 plus tan square theta. In place of 1 plus tan square theta, I can write tan square theta. So now it will become tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of 1 plus tan square theta, I can write sec square theta. It will become sec square theta minus 1 whole over tan theta, it will become. Now here I shall write, here you can see under root sec square theta. So here I shall write tan inverse, here you can see under root sec square theta. Under root sec square theta, it will become sec theta minus 1 whole over tan theta. Now what will do? Here you can see sec theta, here you can see tan theta. So this sec theta and tan theta will be converted into original trigonometric function. So here I can write very well tan inverse. Here in place of sec theta, I can write 1 over cos theta minus 1. Here you can see in place of sec theta, I can write 1 over cos theta minus 1 whole over sin theta over cos theta. Here you can write like this. Here tan inverse is equal to this whole thing can be written in numerator. Because you know the formula sec theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta. I think you know better very well. I think you all know very well sec theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta, it will become. And also tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos theta. This is the formula. Tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 over cos theta. These are the formula. I think you might have remembered that this is some basic formula. On this formula, I am going to process the question here. So here you can see this will become tan inverse. Here you can see 1 over cos theta minus 1 is there. So here you can say write here in place of 1 over 1. Now here you can see cos theta and 1 is there. So you can take LCM very well here. Cos theta will be LCM. So here it will become 1 minus cos theta, it will become in numerator. Whole over you can write sin theta over cos theta, it will become. Now you can write in bracket. Now what will do next? Now again you process this one. Here you have got tan inverse in bracket 1 minus cos theta over cos theta whole over sin theta over cos theta. Now simplify here. On simplification, you will get here tan inverse, in bracket you will get here 1 minus cos theta over cos theta, it will become. Here you can see 1 minus cos theta. I have written 1 minus cos theta over cos theta over cos theta. I have written. Here you apply the sign here multiplication. So this cos theta there in denominator, that will come in numerator. So here you will write cos theta whole over, in denominator it will become sin theta. Because this sin theta will go in denominator, so here you can write like this. Now this cos theta will be cancelled out. It will become tan inverse in bracket 1 minus cos theta whole over sin theta, it will become. Like this you can write. Now here you can see 1 minus cos theta. Here you can see sin theta. Now here again I shall apply here some basic formulas. Some basic formula you know. Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to half angle formula. This is known as half angle formula. I am going to read. Where theta is measured in radian. Where theta is measured in radian. Where theta is measured in radians. Now here I am going to apply half angle trigonometric formula. Cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Here you can see cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. This is the half angle formula here. And now it will become cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Again it will become cos theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So these are the formulas which are known as half angle formula. Cos theta equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. And here you can see cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. And again sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 dot cos theta by 2. These are the some basic formulas related to trigonometric functions. Same formula I am going to apply here. Here I can write tan inverse. Here you can see 1 minus. In place of cos theta, I shall write this one. This one, not this one, but this one I can write. So that here 1 is there. So I have to get here minus 1. So that plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled out. It will be more easier. So here in place of cos theta, I can write very well in curly bracket. In place of 1 is there, 1 I have written, minus minus is there. Cos theta, in place of cos theta, I can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Curly bracket close. Whole over. In place of sin theta, I can write very well 2 sin theta by 2 dot cos theta by 2 I can write. Now bracket will be included here. So here you can see 1 minus 1 minus. Here in place of cos theta, I can write this formula. 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 curly bracket close. Here in place of sin theta I can write this formula. Now it will become tan inverse in bracket it will become 1. Here you can see 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 term is there in braces, that is curly bracket, and now curly bracket will be broken here, so this minus will enter inside, so it will become minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta by 2 whole over 2 sin theta by 2 dot cos theta by 2 bracket close. So here you can see plus 1 minus 1 is there. So this term will be cancelled out. Plus 1 minus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled out. So here, and also you'll get here tan inverse in bracket 2 sin theta by 2 dot sin theta by 2, because plus 1 minus 1 has been cancelled out, and these two will be written here as sin square theta by 2 can be written as sin theta by 2 dot sin theta by 2 whole over 2 sin theta by 2 dot cos theta by 2 will be in bracket. So now these two will be cancelled out. Sin theta by 2 sin theta by 2 will be cancelled out. So this will become equal to tan inverse in bracket. Here you can see sin theta by 2 over cos theta by 2. So it will become tan theta by 2. Here you can see tan inverse sin theta by 2 over cos theta by 2, it will become tan theta by 2. So here you can see tan inverse tan theta by 2 comes out to theta by 2. Comes out to theta by 2 equal to 1 over 2. In place of theta, I can write tan inverse x. So here I can write very well tan inverse x can be written like this. This is the correct answer on simplification of this function. So that will be the correct answer. Answer will be 1 over 2 in bracket tan inverse x bracket close. That will be the correct answer. This is the complete solution of question number 5, exercise 2.2 NCERT 12 maths.